All right, testing, testing. All right, so today was a pretty interesting day. Um, I'm currently down. That's not what I count. Currently down $600 on the account. That's fine with me. I just want to go through the day and kind of show you what it was like. So I'll be on the 4-hour chart. So yesterday, price tapped into this bearish breaker block, and we had a really explosive day. And I kind of expected price to continue just ranging down, maybe towards like EQ on this, which would be around here. But, price didn't do that in the end. So before I was going to bed last night, we were around here in price, and I think it was before this was made. And I kind of was thinking that price was going to become short and we needed to go a little bit lower. And I was thinking that we would see a continuation during the New York time after London. And when I woke up this morning, right around here, I noticed he just made this large black bearish candle, and it was made this a change in state of delivery. Well, we had this change in state of delivery, but we just put in this OB. So my bias was pretty clear heading into New York today. I was waiting to see this tested, reacted off, and I was targeting down here, maybe the CE of this right around here. But again, we did not get that. So let's go into the 1 minute time frame and see what we saw during market open. So this is what London was. We had our smart money reversal up here, and then we had SMT at the top, and I was eyeing this also, so I knew that we were going to go short. So at least I wasn't wrong on that part. And we're coming down and around this time, we go lower, higher, and I'm seeing this as a little bit of a retracement. We took out this high, taking out liquidity, and we're going lower. We have this liquidity point right here that we took out inside a fair value gap, and we were delivering from this bearish fair value gap. So price was bearish, other than the fact that we had technically an uptrend right here. But what you have to notice about this uptrend is on YM at this time at 9 o'clock today, we had a downtrend. Oh wait, no, sorry. We were having a really big downtrend. So it was, and we'll go on to ES as well, just to show you how uncorrelated the markets were. And so yeah, ES, as you can see, we're in a downtrend. So these markets were uncorrelated, but this also gave me like kind of the understanding, looking back at it now, that that's in a way SMT. We're taking out these lows, we're sweeping this liquidity, and on this chart, we are not sweeping liquidity or taking out any lows. Fuck, where are we? Yeah, we're here. Okay, so going into today's trades after we started talking about that, so yeah, price was bearish from this point, and other than the fact that we inversed this, but we're still delivering from this fair value gap after we swept it, so that's fine because we delivered and we took out the internal high. But going back to this trade, so we see price has 929 and 930 on the 2 minute. There was a cleaner fair value gap, but nonetheless, it's at this very important time in the markets where there's a lot of liquidity. So these fair value gaps are often pretty important. So when price inversed this, it was a clear sign to go short for me. And this was a good trade. I entered two contracts, right? Once we took out these, I was targeting these two equal lows, but once we took out these three equal lows, took a contract off. And what my first mistake was that I did not move my stop to break even. I left it here because I was confident that we would take this out, because I was thinking to myself, look, we've been trending downwards the whole entire today we just took out some liquidity. Why wouldn't we stay trending downwards? But I didn't look at the SMT, and I didn't listen to my mentor when he was saying today's going to be choppy. It's a choppy day just due to the fact that we had a really volatile move yesterday on a Monday with no news. So price stopped me out, and I was fine with that. I think I was at a little bit over break even, so I was fine with the day. But then price inversed this fair value gap, and Dodgy pointed it out just because it's the signature in price. But what he also pointed out is that you don't want to take this because when you zoom out, you're in this big range. Like, yes, we moved up here, we moved down, we moved up, we moved down, and we started up here. So we're just ranging right now. There's nothing really that good, and especially if we're able to get this low resistance up here and low resistance. Oh, we're getting all of these wicks right here. So there's lots of resistance right here. But that's what I'm saying. That tomorrow or someday I see this low resistance liquidity get ran through because it just comes all the way up here. So going into this trade, I saw price inversed this, and Taji said, nobody take this on their actual account, only eval. And I'm on an eval, so I was thinking to myself, why not take it? But what I'm kind of missing is that I have to be smart about this, right? About like passing the evaluation account, and I can't get like caught up in the monetary value and forcing myself to put on trades and stuff like that. I have to just be able to be unbiased and trade how I would on a demo account. But I stopped me out, and that was it for the day. I was pretty annoyed, but there's nothing you can do about it, and we're gonna bounce back tomorrow. I'm gonna go over my notes really quick of what I wrote in my calendar for today. Not sorry, my calendar, but this. So today I was bearish heading into the day, and once I saw London session was ranging bearish. I was seeing New York session as a continuation of that trend. Hold up, I won't put it there. Entered a short position, put on 2 contracts. Once the external liquidity hit, took out a contract. Then re-entered at Lawson. Green took over. Yeah, I'm grateful though that this happened. Thinking back, just because it's more experience and it teaches me that the break-even method works, and that what Dodgy is telling us to do is usually like the right thing, just due to the amount of time he's been in the market. So if he's saying like right now it's not clean, you have to trust in that right now it's not clean. Even though you may be thinking to yourself, oh, I could make some money here. It doesn't matter if you can make some money. You're not here to make the money. You're here to follow your plan. So it's two different things. You need your model to show up in order to trade. So like later on in the day, I tried to take a trade just based on like my thoughts, which was again stupid. I think I tried to where was it? It was like here. I tried to long and I got like stopped out. So I wasn't like anything truly that good today. I mean, we did have some, but we were just disrespecting all of these inverses. But not really caring. I mean, we still had some good inverses, but like just the fact that we inversed this, nothing mattered. Um, we inverse these. I mean, some inverses were working today. I'm not gonna hold you. This was getting reacted from a bunch. So you probably could guess that's gonna be taken out tomorrow. So yeah, I'm looking for these to be taken out along with equalize here, and this bearish fair value gap that price reacted twice from. So I can probably see price reacting and breaking through, taking out these highs, and then ranging lower during New York tomorrow. But yeah, going into tomorrow, tomorrow's not CPI, but it's the day before CPI, and the big institutions or banks are just waiting for the CPI move. So tomorrow might not be as good, but I'll still wake up just to trade it. I understand that I'm almost down 1% on this funded account. I know that I made some mistakes today, but I also know what I'm supposed to do, and I'm going to keep doing what I'm supposed to do. I'm going to stay in the right mindset, the growth mindset. I'm going to enter the market clear-minded as I've been. But then once the market is open and trading is okay, I'm going to be patient until I see a clean model. When I see this model, I'm going to take it confidently because of the back testing and win rate and all of the learning I've done. I know that it's a high probability model, and I'm going to exit half my position at the nearest high and lock in profits. Then you're always going to move my stop to break even. Yes, I might get stopped out 70% of the time, but other times you won't, and you'll have a contract or two run a couple hundred points. So I'm going to strike when the iron is hot. Yeah, let's go.